Hello everyone, this is Rosie from Lvxin Packaging. We are specializing in multiple packaging designing and manufacturing. Today we would like to show you our new packaging insert for electronic lock. Look at this. This is made from 100% recycled paper and biodegradable within 3 months. So it is eco-friendly and biodegradable package. If your product is the fragile product, you can choose this material to your product package. It can provide good protection and cushioning during transit. Let me assemble the whole packaging to show you. We are not only provide the insert packaging and can provide the paper sleeve and outer ball. You can see the ball inside the cover. There is a stick, and we can put into the insert. And you can print any information on the stick you want. Close this ball very well, and we write the paper sleeve. This whole packaging was finished. It looks like very simple and beautiful. If you are interested in this style packaging and you have a request about it, just feel free to contact us to customize your inclusive packaging. Thank you, bye bye.